In this video, we will delve into the world of chainsaws and wood sawmill machines operating at peak efficiency. These are not just tools, but symbols of strength and technological advancement. Let's start right now. The Hull Oaks Lumber Company in Monroe, Oregon, stands as a remarkable testament to the enduring legacy of steam-powered sawmills. This tour offers a fascinating journey from the arrival of raw timber to the creation of finished products. It highlights the intricate processes and the rich history of one of the last remaining steam-operated sawmills in the country. For anyone interested in the craftsmanship and heritage of traditional lumber production, this is a must-see experience that showcases the unique charm and robust machinery of a bygone era. The Raver Horizontal Band Sawmill WRC 1250AC is a cutting-edge addition to the world of lumber milling. With its emphasis on maximum production and minimal labor, this sawmill boasts faster hydraulic functions for efficient log maneuvering. The structural improvements and advanced engineering solutions make it a standout in the market. Offering both manual and automatic cutting options with computer-controlled precision, the WRC 1250AC is designed to meet the demands of modern lumber processing with unmatched efficiency and versatility. This sawmill is a testament to Raver's commitment to innovation and quality. This video showcases the impressive capabilities of modern wood processing factories equipped with automatic sawmill machines. First, we see the log debarking machine from Meber, which efficiently prepares logs for further processing. Next, the LumberPro sawmill from Clearman demonstrates its speed and precision in cutting lumber. The sawmill line, featuring double chipper canters in both quad and double vertical bandsaws, highlights its remarkable production capacity of up to 300 to 500 cubic meters of logs per 8-hour shift. The advanced machinery from Meber and Clearman exemplifies the future of efficient and high-capacity wood processing. The Hurdle Machine Works grade mill at Clark Lumber Company is a remarkable example of efficient lumber processing. The Hurdle 3 HB grade sawmill skillfully sends cants to a resaw, showcasing its precision and reliability. This setup ensures a smooth and productive operation, making the most of each log processed. It's impressive to see how this machinery contributes to high-quality lumber production, maintaining both speed and accuracy. Watching the process of sawing a 32-inch pine log into 2x4s is truly fascinating. The precision and efficiency with which the sawmill handles such a large log is impressive. Each cut transforms the hefty log into perfectly sized 2x4 ESS, showcasing the skill and expertise involved. It's a great demonstration of the power and accuracy of modern sawmill machinery, a must-see for anyone interested in woodworking or lumber processing. The process of sawing 1x10 poplar boards is both impressive and satisfying to watch. The sawmill's precision ensures each board is cut accurately, transforming raw poplar logs into smooth, uniform 1x10 planks. The efficiency and skill demonstrated in handling the poplar logs highlight the capabilities of modern sawmill machinery. It's a fantastic example of woodworking excellence, showcasing the beauty and versatility of poplar wood in creating high-quality lumber. The Tour of Columns Lumber Products, LLC in Allendale, South Carolina, offers a fascinating glimpse into the process of turning southern yellow pine trees into high-quality lumber. This detailed walkthrough showcases the advanced machinery and skilled craftsmanship involved in every step, from raw log intake to the final lumber products. It's impressive to see the efficiency and precision at which the sawmill operates, ensuring optimal use of each tree. For anyone interested in lumber production, this tour is a must-watch, highlighting the remarkable transformation of raw timber into finished products. The Walter Wood processing line for pallet board production is truly impressive. This advanced line showcases efficiency and precision in transforming raw timber into high-quality pallet boards. The seamless operation and cutting-edge technology ensure that each board is produced to exact specifications, maximizing productivity and minimizing waste. It's a testament to the innovation and expertise of Walter's machinery, making it a valuable asset for any lumber processing operation. Highly recommended for anyone interested in modern wood processing techniques. The self-propelled chainsaw showcased here is an ingenious DIY semi-automatic sawmill, perfect for transforming logs into flawless boards right in the woods. This device embodies simplicity and efficiency, making it an ideal solution for anyone looking to mill lumber on site. It's impressive how such a straightforward tool can produce such precise results, turning raw logs into perfect boards with ease. This innovation is a game changer for those who appreciate hands-on woodworking and the convenience of milling lumber directly in the forest. Thank you for watching the entire video. Click on the suggested videos on the screen to continue exploring more exciting content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.